So the aortic valve, that's one of the four heart valves that we have, and it's essentially the gatekeeper from the heart to the body. It's the valve that essentially the last thing the heart kind of sees before it pumps blood into circulation. And it's really the most important, arguably most important valve. And we can see different types of diseases that kind of develop in this valve, specifically aortic stenosis, where the valve doesn't open appropriately and is very tight, or aortic insufficiency or regurgitation, which is when you have a leaky valve. When a patient's aortic valve becomes diseased, it needs to be replaced. There's two classical options that patients are often offered for replacement, and that is a bioprosthetic valve, otherwise called a tissue valve. Those are valves that are made out of essentially cow pericardium or some type of pig tissue that are man-made. Or the other alternative is the mechanical valve, which is a metal valve. Now, the third option that we're talking about is the Ross procedure. And the Ross procedure essentially, in my opinion, encompasses the best of both of those options. The Ross procedure is where we take the patient's own pulmonary valve and replace the aortic valve with it. And then we replace their pulmonary valve with a donated valve in that position. You get to avoid anticoagulation because it's your own valve, it's a living valve, and it lasts well when it's supported and done in the appropriate manner. Here at UT Southwestern, we have a multidisciplinary team, including cardiologists, anesthesiologists, and surgeons that are all well versed and trained and perform the Ross procedure at a high level. That team will be working with you to guide you from the pre surgery to the post surgery to make sure you have the best outcome